I've been looking around a while. You got something for me. Oh, I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key.
Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. My name is Estro Jen, and I'm here at the Tokyo Roller Dome in Japan with Chika.
Hi, konnichiwa.
Chika is the queen of roller skating in Japan, right, Chika?
Thank you.
But we are here also with a legend, Nalu. And from Portugal, Ana. We're gonna prove to you at home that you do not need to know any language to learn how to roller skate. Unless you know Japanese, it's gonna be really easy for you. I don't know Japanese, but Chika is gonna teach us the Eito Sako, a very popular move that was invented by somebody here in Japan that we're gonna meet. So stay tuned for that in the next video. But for now, I'm gonna turn it over to Chika, and she's gonna teach you how to do the Eito Sako move.
ではやってみましょう。8サークルです。いいですか皆さん。OK? Ready? So 最初は右足を下げます。1、2入れ替えてつま先内側3、4でターンをします。そのまんま右足 right、left このまんまつま先ターンです。続けます。1、2、3、4、5、6、7 One more time. 1、2、3 Nice. 5、6、7 Okay, one more time. 1、2、3、4、5、6 Okay. すごい。完璧。
Arigato. Where should our weight be when we're doing that?
Yeah, weight is back. 後ろです。Keep back, inside back. Yeah. 後ろに1、2、3。ずっと後ろに Keep back. 5、6、7。Right. Yeah.
And we pivot for about 180 degrees. Where should our shoulders be when we're doing the spin?
Yeah, shoulders together.
It looks like you're so graceful. It looks like your head and your shoulders are kind of leading the spin.
Yes. So 一緒に常に一緒に Move back 後ろに
And is it okay if our toe stops are down when we're doing this? Or should we leave them up? So when we do the move,
1、2
should our toe stop be down when we spin on the toe stop?
Yes, down, up,
Okay.
down.
You can do it both ways.
Down, up. Yeah. 目にベンドに膝をいっぱい曲げます。膝を曲げる。Yes.
And I like the way your arms are right here.
そう、手も後ろに。Yes. 2、3. Yeah. Yes.
All right, awesome.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this move?
Many times.
Many years?
Yeah, many years.
How long have you been doing this move?
いっぱい長い時間やってますね。8サークルはたくさんやってきてます。Yeah, very famous step in Japan.
So she's been doing it a long time.
Yes.
How many years have you been doing this move? Just now.
Wow. Okay.
Me too. Good job, Anna. Thank you, everyone. That's the Eito Sako.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Chika. Stay tuned for our next video.
Okay.
Where we meet the person who invented the move. Bye.
You got a brand